Kitengsi kardom kadu kawe karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kilangarad one fans tamil la pen pinila so video long na litum panaki wan pila bangke kedam ta hot Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council hin pen irrigation long kapik lang pon Voreng Avarsai do halo so Voreng Avarsai update aputhak sipini na litum ma fan la so video long na than pachini poniko na litum la so YouTube channel subscribe lang te subscribe go la pen videos tamil na litum share ponikon tang non pathek pen copy updates man la so puthak le lang polona la pen jethan polona Tangten puthot non chetan polona nili long do dag notice alo kopia notice mal so puthak stamina litum non chini ponik pol apen ki cheng sinalitum screen along thek polong exi government of Assam office of the additional chief engineer come council head of the department irrigation Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council dipu lapen establishment at branch ahin pen kedam tang hod Voreng Avarsai stame paklang pon iglo mate irrigation department hin pen lapen puthot non la so anotis along ke tok pon alam the labang ke la puilo ke dam tang honali tum stami chini ponik po la irrigation department pen kapik lang pon Voreng Avarsai lapen non written test afansi la so notice bang ke pipon lo grade 3 apartment grade 4 apartment bang non pipon pela lapen dak junior assistant do lapen sectional assistant trigger lapen assistant mechanic PPO lapen electric pump mechanic lapen assistant fitter under irrigation department Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council dipu lason dak tag not dak nali tum screen along tag pon long exi number is long nali tum dak tag long ji trigger apan stame roll number 1 pen 339 an lapen adet labang ke 12 January 2024 lapen apor labang ke 9 AM to 12 PM si written exam bang en ponik po lapen adim labang ke difu government college along lo lapen lason thak number 2 along assistance mechanic afans tame roll number 1 lapen 30 an lo lapen adet lake isiver lo 12 January 2025 lapen apor labang ke 1 PM pen earning stamp 4 PM an lo lapen adim labang ke difu government college difu long lo lapen number 3 along ta do thulang sectional assistance upon stame roll number 1 pen roll number 1686 an lapen adet labang ke nali tum dak theklong ji 19 ar ni si en ponik po exam labang ke lapen apor labang ke 9 AM to 12 PM an mate 12 noon an lapen adim labang ta government college di fulong lo lason data number 4 along do tulang nalitum thek pon tulong ji dak sectional assistance upon puthot roll number 1687 pen roll number 2182 an atum labang ke 19 arnilo lata lapen apor labang ke 9 AM to 12 PM lo lapen adim labang ke government boys higher secondary school long lo mate lahini labang ke thak pon ikdak lo nalitum dak theklong ji number 3 lapen number 4 apartment ke the sectional assistance roll number 1 pen roll number 1686 atum labang ke kitok neng ji adim difu government college long lo lapen roll number 1687 pen 2182 atum labangke government boys higher secondary school along lo lapen adet labangke isivet lo lapen apor ta isivet lo lapen dotulang dak number 5 along junior assistants atum afanstami roll number 1 pen roll number 910 latum ke adet labangta dak 19 January 2025 lo lapen apor labangke adingang sam 1 PM pen 4 PM an lapen adim labang ke difu government college along lo lapen puthot do thulang number 6 along assistant peter apan stame dak ke pipondo lapen roll number 1 pen 11 lapen adet alang litum exam adet labang ke dak 24 January 2025 lapen adim labang ke office of the additional chief engineer come CHD irrigation KAAC difu along masi and ponikpo Kason data number 7 long electric pump mechanic afan stame roll number 1 pen 21 atum Adiat labangke sivello 24 January 2025 lapen apor labangke 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. anlo lapen adim lata sivello Office of the Additional Chief Engineering Irrigation Karbi Anglong difu along madlo number 8 long dotulang PPO afan stameda roll number 1 pen roll number 28 an lo lapen lang litem exam adiat labangke dak 25 January 2025 lapen apor labangke 9 a.m. to 12 noon lapen adim labangke nalitum la screen along tek ponlong exi Office of the Additional Chief Engineering Irrigation Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council difu la so along matsi alang litum phanta andonic exam bangke and ponik po la sinalitum dak tek ponlong exi puthani lena than pachini pon to ekpo trigger atum roll number 1 pen roll number 390 alang litum exam la bangke 12 hours and pon ekpo la sochiklo 12 January upor 9 a.m. to 12 noon la penadim dipu government college la pen assistance mechanic first time roll number 1 pen 30 an la pen arni la ke isivelo 12 hour nilo la pen upor la bangke 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. anlo 3 number la pen 4 number nali tum dak thek ponlong ji amota nili pu pon iglo the sectional assistance atum labangke is exam ke arni siverlo adet labangke 19 January 2025 lapen roll number 1 pen roll number 1686 atum labangke difu government college longo lapen roll number 1687 atum lapen 2182 and roll number atum labangke Government Boys Higher Secondary School difu alonglo lapen junior assistant satum labangta 19 ar nilo exam labangke lapen earning ang apor lo baji sipen earning sam baji sipen baji plian lapen adim labangke nang litum theklongji difu government college alonglo lapen lason hathak dak assistant fitter first time roll number 1 pen 11 lapen adet labangke 24 January lapen time labangke 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. lapen adim labangke Office of the Additional Chief Engineering Camp CHD Irrigation Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council difu la sodim sin nalitum dam nang po lapen receiver lo lapen puthodak alang litum kapachini pon alam the do thulang candidate are requested to take their seat as a per election of the room and whole half an hour before exam 8:30 a.m. for the morning batch and 12:30 p.m. for the afternoon batch la selection la adap exam ki tok dam je tum stame advance penali tum adag room long attend dami afan salang litum ahin pe stame tuning repon iglo exam la bangke 9 am pulti nang litum 8:30 si hodak kapile dam nang ji pusi alang litum dapen kipu pono la pendo tula number 2 long candidate will be not allowed to leave their examination room hall without submitting their answer sheet answers script as a candidate nalitum la exam jong se tok lo pulta la exam ki to paper la bangke nalitum submit me pin pene damnong le pusi alang litum dakpen daki pupon la pena son thak do thulang number 3 along candidate no candidate will be allowed to enter the examination venue without valid admit card jong se admit card avi pulte nalitum exam ta tok do nong le lo puta pachini pon la pen number 4 long do thulang candidates are strictly prohibited for carrying mobile phones and other electronics gadgets to the premise of the examination hall. La seleson la alang nitum darketok ponating pulotang tim mobile phone la pen rason mobile watch doh lahai hui bangke nang litum exam along la bangke ponong le puta la dak pachini poniglo la lo la senang litum serigo Karbi Anglong arat stame pana ignang la pen pachini igna karjulong litum stame do ta hai mine la pen karjulong tum arjulong polasi video bang anut ka prex tame palang iknang purana litum share ponigo la sonson update kilong verje phan purana litum la so YouTube channel la bangke subscribe igon tange dumi thangmi kadu kawe Karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long kilang ara do an phans tame nilhin pen kardom to change your